So here I am. It's blizzarding out. I'm trying to get out on the ski bike. It's just coming down like gangbusters. Let's see what I can show you here. Don't know if you can even see anything. It's coming down, but I am dressed for the weather. I'm going to take myself a little ski bike ride down here.